Price surge of Ethereum. If someone had invested $1,000 in Ethereum on April 10, 2025, when the price was $1,522.52 per ETH, they would have acquired approximately 0.656 ETH. Now, with Ethereum's price at $2,610.79, the value of that investment would be 0.656 ETH times $2,610.79 equals $1,713.47. Key takeaways. Growth. The investment would have increased by 71.3% in just over a month. Market trends. Ethereum has seen a strong rally, likely driven by institutional adoption, DeFi expansion, and macroeconomic factors. Future potential. If Ethereum continues its upward trajectory, this investment could grow even further. Price drivers. Price drivers. Ethereum's price surge. Key drivers behind its growth in 2025. Ethereum has seen significant price movement in 2025, climbing from $1,522.52 on April 10 to $2,610.79 today. This represents a 71.3% increase in just over a month. Here's a breakdown of the key factors driving Ethereum's growth. 1. Ethereum 2.0 and network upgrades. The Petra upgrade, launched in May 2025, introduced enhanced staking mechanisms and smart contract improvements, making Ethereum more efficient. Increased validator staking limits have attracted institutional investors, boosting demand. 2. Institutional adoption and Layer 2 scaling. Major financial institutions have expanded their Ethereum holdings, seeing it as a long-term asset. Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum have improved transaction speeds and reduced fees, making Ethereum more attractive for DeFi applications. 3. DeFi and stablecoin growth. Ethereum remains the dominant blockchain for DeFi applications, with over 51% of stablecoin supply minted on its network. Increased stablecoin activity has reinforced Ethereum's role as a financial infrastructure layer. 4. Market sentiment and technical breakouts. Ethereum recently broke through key resistance levels, signaling bullish momentum. Analysts predict Ethereum could reach $2,850 to $3,000 if it maintains its upward trend. 5. Global economic factors. Lower interest rates and institutional crypto adoption have contributed to Ethereum's price rally. Brazil's B3 exchange is launching Ethereum futures, increasing exposure for Latin American investors. Future outlook. Ethereum's strong technical indicators and institutional backing suggest continued growth. If it breaks past $2,865, analysts believe it could surge toward $3,000. More. Ethereum Layer 2 developments, 2025 updates. Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions have seen massive improvements, focusing on scalability, transaction speed, and cost reduction. Ethereum R1 Layer 2 solution, a new scaling framework launched in 2025, designed to increase transaction speeds while maintaining decentralization. Base overtakes Arbitrum. Coinbase Base Layer 2 has surpassed Arbitrum in total value locked, TVL, marking a shift in Layer 2 dominance. Petra upgrade enhancements. The Petra update doubled blob capacity, improving data availability for rollups and reinforcing Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling strategy. Kraken's Inc. Layer 2. Kraken is launching its own Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain, following the trend set by Coinbase. Impact. Layer 2 adoption is accelerating, with Base surpassing Arbitrum in market dominance. Ethereum's Petra upgrade strengthens rollup scalability, reducing transaction costs. New Layer 2 solutions like Ethereum R1 and Kraken's Inc. are expanding Ethereum's ecosystem. Future outlook. Ethereum's staking mechanisms and Layer 2 developments are reshaping the blockchain landscape. With higher staking limits, improved rollups, and new Layer 2 networks, Ethereum is positioned for long-term growth. Ethereum staking rewards and market trends, June 2025. Ethereum staking has become a major financial tool, offering passive income while securing the network. Here's a breakdown of staking rewards, risks, and future trends. Current Ethereum staking rewards, June 2025. Average staking yield, 3.2% APY Institutional Staking Growth. Large firms are increasing ETH staking due to higher yields than U.S. interest rates. SEC delays ETF staking decision. The SEC postponed its ruling on Ethereum ETF staking until June 1, 2025, leaving uncertainty around institutional staking adoption. Slashing protection. Chainproof launched insurance for Ethereum stackers, ensuring minimum yearly yields and protection against validator penalties. Impact. Higher staking yields encourage institutional adoption. Regulatory uncertainty could affect ETF-based staking in the near future. Insurance products are emerging to protect stackers from losses. Ethereum staking versus traditional investments. Ethereum staking yields are outpacing U.S. interest rates, which are expected to fall below 3.5% by June 2025. Investment type. Annual yield, 2025. Risk level. Ethereum staking, 3.2% AP. Medium. U.S. Treasury bonds, 3.5% AP.
Low.
High-yield savings accounts, 2.8% AP.
Low.
Stock market, S&P 500, 7 to 10% AP.
High.
Ethereum staking offers competitive returns, but market volatility and slashing risks remain concerns. Future outlook for Ethereum staking. Higher staking adoption expected as ETF approvals bring institutional investors. New staking insurance models will reduce risks for retail investors. Layer 2 staking innovations could increase yields while lowering transaction costs.